In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Notion habit tracker in just 5 minutes. First, what you'll need to do is log into your Notion account. If you're already on Notion, fantastic. If not, take a moment to access your account and get ready to start creating a useful tool that will help keep track of your daily habits with ease. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new page. This will be the home for your habit tracker, so make sure it's easy to find within your workspace. Name this page Habit Tracker, so you immediately know its purpose every time you glance at it. Naming it clearly not only helps with organization, but also serves as a constant reminder of the goals you're trying to achieve. After you've set up the new page, type in Table View. This command is what you'll use to start your database. Essentially, you're creating a table where you can input and visualize your habits easily. It's a straightforward step, but it's the foundation that allows this whole process to work effectively. With the table view in place, we're going to set up the columns. These columns are vital as they represent the individual habits you want to track, as well as any additional data you might want to incorporate, such as dates or specific notes for the day. Keep the structure clean and uncomplicated to ensure it's user-friendly. Now comes the exciting part, adding checkboxes. For every habit you wish to monitor, create a column with checkboxes. Each checkbox represents whether or not you completed a habit on a particular day. This setup allows a visual representation of your progress over time. You can easily check these boxes off every time you successfully complete a habit, providing an instant sense of accomplishment. Finally, to make your tracker more visually appealing and easy to navigate, let's talk about colors. You can modify the colors by clicking on Settings, then selecting Conditional Color. This feature enables you to assign specific colors based on your habit's completion status. Whether you want your completed habits to stand out in green or for ongoing challenges to be shaded in yellow, colors can significantly enhance your motivation by giving a quick glance overview of your progress. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have created a simple yet effective habit tracker in Notion, allowing you to monitor and build upon your daily routines effortlessly. This setup is incredibly easy and customizable, so feel free to tweak it as your habits and goals evolve. Enjoy taking control of your habits, and thanks for watching.